Hi people at home. So for today we're gonna do Play-Doh shopping. It's not gonna be this real shopping. It's gonna be all Play-Doh. So let's get started and open it. Ta-da! Just kidding. So let's get started with broccoli and green. So all we're gonna do here is grab some Play-Doh, splat on the table. And then splat on the table. And then next step, we're gonna put all the Play-Doh back. And then, boom, we made broccoli. But there's lettuce. And then we take the lettuce off so we can make money. Everyone's gonna shop for this. But not this real shopping. This pretend. Put it in here. Close it up. Take the extra pieces and hook smash. And see if it works. And boom! We made money. And it looks like someone ate the money. So let's put the money in our cash register. And here it is. Just kidding. Put it there. And then we're gonna roll our dollars out and just splat it on your hand. So it's stuck to it forever. And there's more food in the cash register. There's chips in the cash register. Roll it flat again. It's like a burrito. Ah! And it's humongous. It can't even fit the dollar. And then some white for milk. So it's deep fried milk and spill it all in the bag. Red Play-Doh in the middle. Have you ever seen a Play-Doh slime and you put two colors together and you can take them apart and they don't even mix together? And boom, we made milk. And put it into shopping bag. And next, we need some waffles. Level for waffles. You just what? We can make eggs and strawberries chips, but we can't to make waffles. What in the world?
You can't make waffles.
Well, it's on the picture.
Look at the back of the cash register.
Oops, I need to scan it again. It's like there's like glued to this cash register. So if you need extra food, then there it is. Put it into the shopping cart. It's not a shopping cart, really. It's a basket. And next, we need some lemon. Let's do a mushroom instead with some red, white, and yellow. It's like a stick. And put the stick into the shopping cart. It's like everyone thinks the stick is milk. And red for apple. A. Just like the beginning of the phonics Cocomelon alphabet. Cocomelon. Cocomelon is everywhere. Ta-da! We made an apple and put it into the shopping cart. And now we go to the cash register in a rush. It costs 25 cents. And it's like we give the money to them. And here you go. You got 1 and 10 cents back. Boom! A1 going to go shopping. So ring the bell and press the subscribe button. Bye.